So in this how to Blender video, I'm going to show you how to uh, make this object, this pipe, go around in a circular motion. So the first thing is to create Shift A an empty array arrows. Any one of these honestly is fine. It just really depends on you. So like let's do a circle, right? If you like. Right. Let's do rotation. No, okay. Okay, that's fine. Our axis is going to be on the C. So just remember that. All right. So then let's go back to our, take that out. So you're not toggle X. Go to the object you want to duplicate and follow around. So add a modifier array. So as you can see, the amount that you can increase the amount you can increase the amount. Relative offset is like in the X factor, Y or C. We're gonna take that off, go with object offset, and select the empty we created. So this empty right here. So I don't know why, but this happens. Yeah, and I'm not sure how to fix that. So another way we can do it is, let's see, delete the modifier, go to new general, save, just so I can show you the example of how it works rather than trying to fix it right now. So G, right, then Shift A, empty, arrows. It really does not matter what empty you use, at least to my basic knowledge, so just keep that in mind. All right, then go back to the object you want to rotate, modifiers, arrays, increase the count, then relative off, object offset, and the empty, right? See? So it'll repeat that way. So then what you do to make sure that it circles around this the empty in a circle is select the empty, then R, C, and as you can see, it does rotate around it. Okay, it's not uniform, unfortunately, and we're not exactly sure why though. All right, I think. Oh, okay, that's probably it. Okay, so this should have the same coordinates as this, at least on the C axis. Let's check that right now. So that empty, empty. So 0, 0, 0. Nope. All right. Now let's redo it. So I've got empty, R, C, and now we have objects that are 45 degrees apart. But yeah, that's how you do it. And hopefully that helps. 90 degrees. Yeah, which is, yeah, technically right. So So let's increase the count. Increase the count. And you create that circle there. So let's see if we can figure this out. And sorry, I'm taking a little longer, but let's do it on the object over here. Let's see. All right, go to open, recent. Don't save. So what are our XYZ here? And what are our empties XYZ here? So our X should be the same as the X over here. So Control C. Right, so then let's go back to our cylinder, add the modifier, array, take off offset, add, rotate, cylinder, yeah. Why is that not rotating? Well, let's maybe change our empty. Maybe that will help. Let's actually make it like they call it Shift A, Shift A, empty the arrows like we used before. So this and this should have the same X. All right, then let's do cylinder, offset object, empty 3, and it still does not work. I wonder what could be wrong. Cylinder. No idea, unfortunately. But yeah, you're gonna run into issues like that, and you're just gonna unfortunately have to figure it out. In my case, I have no idea here, so we'll try to make another videos later and see how we can fix this. But it looks like it is the x-axis 3, and it's just like scaling higher. So let's delete the modifier, add it again. Object offset, empty 3, it's still there. All right. So unfortunately, instead of just trying to troubleshoot through this, let's just copy this instead. Right? Control Shift D, R, when we figure this out, we will definitely share this with you guys. And there we are. All right. But yeah, sorry about that, guys. There's just, I guess, some technical issues here. Oh, counted 3 constant object. We actually don't need that at all. All right. Why did that repeat? Because we copied it and attached the array modifier. All right, there we are. All right, sorry for the long video. Maybe next time we'll figure this out. But until then, thanks for watching, and thank you for sitting through the the troubleshooting.